Let's see what's in my house. Every side of this house has a door, and the door needs a key to open the door up. Before we try to get inside, let's ring the doorbell. Is anybody home? I don't hear anybody, but we can open the door up. Let's see if somebody's inside. Oh my goodness, somebody's inside. It's a rabbit. Oh, Rabbit is inside. Rabbit says, "Hello. Welcome to my house. Come on in." All right. And then we'll shut the door. Say, "Bye, Rabbit. Thanks for opening up. We're going to shut the door now." Lock it up. Take the key out. All done with that one. Let's check the other side. Ooh, this one's a special kind of lock. We need to first knock on the door, see if anybody's home. Hello? Is anybody in there? They turned the light on. Oh my goodness, somebody's inside. Hello? Oh, hey, can you help me? I'm kind of stuck in here. They've got this lock on my door and I can't figure out how to unlock it. Oh my goodness. Well, let's get you out of there. Here you go. It's a turtle. Turtle really needed to get out because his ice cream cone was melting inside. Oh boy, that sure looks good. Hi, Turtle. I'm so glad you are outside and okay now. Oh, thank you. You are so kind. Okay, I'm going to put you back in now. All right. We'll just take care of that. All right. Next, we have, oh, this is kind of like a garage door, but it's got a key. So let's see what happens when we turn the key. Oh, wow, the picture changed. Oh boy, let's try. Whoa, it changed again. Every time I turn the key, the weather changes. So here we have a sunny day, a rainy day, oh, a thunderstorm, and snow. Wow. Okay, let's open it up and see what we've got in here. It's a wow. Can you see? There's a dog inside. Oh my goodness. What is that dog doing over there? Oh, and there's our rabbit friend. Hi guys. Did you see all the weather changing on the door there? Isn't that cool? So cool, Mr. Rabbit. So cool. All right. We'll put him back in and lock the door again. Okay. We're going to come over here to this door and see how it's going in here. Who's inside this one? Put the key in, give it a turn. Oh, there's that dog. What is that dog up to? Oh my goodness, he's playing frisbee. The dog is playing frisbee. Wow. Okay, let's put you back in, doggy. All right, take the key out. And those are all of our doors. But we still have some friends in our roof. Who is up here? It's an owl family. Mama or Daddy Owl is reading the baby owls a bedtime story. Look at them in their little owl beds. Isn't that cute? So cute. Put them back in. And then our last person in the roof is it's a bird. That's a bird, not a person. Let's try again. So fun. I love to hear it. One more time. Wow. So cute. All right. Bye, birdie. We'll see you later. And that's all for our house today, friends. We'll see you next time.